Welcome, fellow enthusiasts, to the AI Artistry Lab, where the convergence of technology and creativity takes center stage. I'm your guide on this mesmerizing journey into the realm of artificial intelligence and its breathtaking contributions to the world of art. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. What is AI art? Have you ever wondered what AI art truly is? AI art is a form of creative expression brought to life by artificial intelligence. These systems, fueled by vast datasets of existing artworks, learn the intricate patterns and styles of human creativity to generate new artworks that are both creative and technically proficient. This is the power of AI art systems. An AI system trained on a dataset of impressionist paintings might learn to use vibrant colors and soft brushstrokes. AI art systems can then use this knowledge to generate new artworks that conform to these patterns and styles. It might be able to generate a photorealistic portrait of a cat in the style of Picasso, or an abstract painting of a cityscape in the style of Mondrian. AI art systems are still in their early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume art. As these systems continue to develop, we can expect to see even more creative and innovative AI-generated art in the future. Picture this: machines, inspired by the brushstrokes of artists, crafting new masterpieces or even venturing into uncharted territories of innovation. It's not merely a technological novelty, but a revolutionary force challenging our traditional understanding of art. In what way, you might ask? AI art democratizes the creative process, making art accessible to all, regardless of their artistic background. They are both affordable and convenient. Anyone can experiment with different styles and techniques, and new and innovative artworks. This fusion of technology and creativity holds the key to unlocking unprecedented artistic frontiers for all. So let's delve into the latest trends and developments in AI art. AI doesn't just mimic art, it creates it in entirely new ways. In the world of visual arts, AI can generate realistic images, abstract paintings, and even sculptural wonders. Take DALL-E 2, for instance, capable of translating text descriptions into vivid, lifelike images. It achieves this using a process called diffusion. Diffusion is a type of generative modeling that works by gradually creating an image from a random noise input. At each step of the diffusion process, the AI system tries to make the image more similar to the text description, while still preserving the overall realism of the image. DALL-E 2 uses a large language model called CLIP to help it understand and translate the text descriptions. CLIP is trained on a massive dataset of text and images, so it can understand the relationships between different words and concepts. This allows DALL-E 2 to generate images that are both accurate and creative. DALL-E 2 is able to generate such vivid and lifelike images because it uses a number of techniques to improve the realism of its output. For example, DALL-E 2 uses a technique called perceptual loss to ensure that the generated images are consistent with the real world. Perceptual loss measures the difference between the generated image and a real image in terms of how the image looks to a human observer. This allows DALL-E 2 to generate images that are both accurate and visually appealing. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. We're always putting out new content on a variety of topics, and we'd love for you to be a part of our community. In another example, the intersection of AI and music introduces us to Jukebox, a maestro in generating music indistinguishable from human compositions. Maestro generates music with such human-like accurateness by using a combination of techniques. Maestro is trained on a massive dataset of human-composed music, which allows it to learn the patterns and structures of music. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, are also used to generate new music that is both realistic and creative. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, are a type of machine learning algorithm that can be used to generate realistic and creative content. GANs consist of two neural networks that compete against each other. One neural network, called the generator, is responsible for creating new content. The other neural network, called the discriminator, is responsible for distinguishing between real content and generated content. The generator and discriminator are trained simultaneously. The generator tries to create content that the discriminator cannot distinguish from real content. the discriminator tries to learn to distinguish between real content and generated content. Over time, the generator becomes better at creating realistic content, and the discriminator becomes better at detecting generated content. AI artists are pioneers in exploring new creative avenues. Generative art, a realm where algorithms take the lead, pushes the boundaries of what's possible. AI-assisted collaboration sees artists partnering with AI to birth fresh ideas and experiment with different styles. Imagine AI-driven storytelling, where algorithms weave narratives that are immersive and engaging, challenging the very essence of traditional storytelling. The impact of AI on the arts industry is profound, offering artists new tools, techniques, and avenues for creativity. AI doesn't just assist, it fosters increased creativity by exploring uncharted territories and generating novel ideas. But the rise of AI also presents challenges, from job displacement to concerns about bias in AI-generated art. Let's explore ways generative AI might impact the world of work. Generative AI art will potentially displace jobs in a number of ways. AI art systems can be used to create realistic images and music that are indistinguishable from human-created works. This could lead to a decline in demand for human artists, particularly in industries such as advertising, entertainment, and design. In addition, AI art systems can be used to automate tasks that are currently performed by human artists, such as creating concept art, generating textures, and composing music. This could lead to job losses among artists who specialize in these areas. In advertising, AI art systems could be used to create realistic images and videos for advertising campaigns. In entertainment, AI art systems could be used to create realistic characters, sets, and special effects for movies, TV shows, and video games. In design, AI art systems could be used to create concept art, textures, and other design elements for products, buildings, and other objects. It's important to note that generative AI art is still in its early stages of development, and it is not yet clear how widespread its impact on the job market will be. However, it is a technology that has the potential to disrupt the creative industries in a significant way. There are a number of things that can be done to mitigate the potential impact of job displacement from generative AI art. For example, governments can invest in retraining programs to help artists learn new skills that are in demand in the changing economy. Businesses can also invest in new technologies that allow artists to collaborate with AI art systems to create new and innovative works. Ultimately, the impact of generative AI art on the job market will depend on a number of factors, including the rate of technological advancement, the willingness of businesses to adopt new technologies, and the ability of artists to adapt to the changing landscape. It is important to have a thoughtful conversation about the potential impact of generative AI art on the job market, and to develop strategies to help artists thrive in the changing economy. So how can we prepare this AI revolution? Currently, we are developing new ethical guidelines for AI development and use. Researchers and policymakers aim to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and beneficial way. We are also improving the transparency and accountability of AI systems and ensuring that AI systems are working as intended and not causing harm. In addition, researchers are developing new ways to detect and mitigate AI bias. This is important for ensuring that AI systems are fair and equitable. There has also been growing investment in education and training programs to help people understand AI and its potential impact. This is important for ensuring that people are able to thrive in the age of AI. As we conclude our journey, envision the future of AI art, a realm where AI-generated images rival human creations in realism and detail. AI art becomes an emotional symphony, resonating with human emotions in ways we've never seen before. Accessibility to AI art continues to democratize creativity, enabling more individuals to express themselves artistically. The future holds promises of new and innovative uses for AI art, from interactive experiences to AI-powered art museums. If you found this exploration into the world of AI art as captivating as we have, I encourage you to learn more. Share your thoughts on the future of AI art in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Artistry Lab for more captivating content. Like this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting journey through the world of artificial intelligence and creativity. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating and keep embracing the limitless possibilities of AI.